Something is wrong with me today.
What do you mean? You look the same to me.
I keep making tiny thunders, like little hic.
Thunder hiccups. That is the cutest thing ever.
It is not cute. Hic. See, I cannot control it.
Try holding your breath. That works for wind hiccups.
Clouds do not hold their breath. We do not have breath. Hic.
What if I scare you? That cures hiccups.
You cannot scare me. You are a son. You are not scary. Hic.
Boo.
That was the least scary thing I have ever seen.
What if we make you laugh? Laughter cures everything.
I do not laugh. I have never laughed. Laughing is for happy people.
Breeze. Do the funny face.
What funny. Okay, that is slightly amusing. Hic. Wait, no more hiccups.
You laughed, and it fixed everything.
I did not laugh. I exhaled aggressively through my mouth with sound.